Hey guys, let's talk climate. To ensure your plants are healthy and thriving, you should try and create a climate as close as possible to your plant's native habitat. There are two things to consider: humidity and temperature. Our modern homes are usually warm enough for our plants, however, they tend to have low humidity. Tropical plants like claytheas and peace lilies and plants like ferns tend to need extra humidity, like this guy. Just check your plant's product page if you're not sure. Signs that your plant needs extra humidity can include leaf curling, yellowing, and leaves with brown edges or tips. There are a few easy ways to boost humidity for your plants: regular misting, use a humidifier, or place your plants in a room with high humidity, such as a bathroom or kitchen. These pump action misters are perfect for the job. One happy fern. You should try and create a climate as close as possible to your plant's native habitat. Generally, temperatures in our homes can be great for our plants, but there can be big temperature fluctuations around the home. So watch out for drafty hallways, hot radiators, chilly windowsills, particularly if they're single glazed. Now you know how to make your home into a tropical paradise. Thanks for watching, see you next time.